Whether you work in an office or a home office, or even just a busy home, an all-in-one unit like this is quite popular. That's because it combines several features into one device. Now, most people think of this as a printer, and it has the ability to easily print from your computers, tablets, and phones for documents and whatnot. But it also can be a card reader to load in things from a memory device or a USB hub. It can actually sheet feed in documents that you can make quick scans of if you have to use it like a copying machine or a scanner, or the ability to actually send that with a fax. But what a lot of people miss is that there's actually a lid here. And when you open that up, it's just like the flatbed scanner. In fact, that's what this surface is. So just like any other scanner, you could take photos and load that up. Just make sure you leave some space in between them. Sometimes I'll rotate this to maximize how many images I can fit at once. Most software can accommodate scanning in multiple pictures at one time. There we go. Get them on the glass straight using the edges, and then gently close the device. Now, devices like this all-in-one unit can usually be accessed over a network, so it's possible that your computer can see it in the Wi-Fi network. Just pick the device and actually trigger the scan. Or you can often scan directly to a USB thumb drive by plugging it into the slot and then invoking the scan on the device. These devices are quite flexible, and you likely already own one. Now, you're going to find better scanning results from a dedicated scanner in most cases. However, if the choice is don't scan or do scan, and you already own an all-in-one unit, certainly take advantage of the hardware you've already purchased.